Oh no.
What's up?
NORDO.
Frequency 120.45.
He's NORDO.
120.45. Where is he?
Where are you? Because we could probably tell them.
30261 our right base and report 3 miles for 152. And also we have there's another pilot in a Cherokee who is NORDO circling outside the Delta. He just texted us. We're trying to get his exact position. He's trying to come into land as well.
Okay, I do see somebody approximately 8 miles north. I did hear someone keying up they were garbled, but I couldn't make anything out.
Do you have a tower phone number we can text to him?
Okay, I got a phone number for you when you're ready.
Ready to copy.
304-6.
3046. We'll relay that on for 152. Thanks.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful morning here in Fairmont, and we have a pretty exciting flight today in our new 235 with a dual mission. First of all, heading to Martinsburg, West Virginia for work to drop off a computer that I've rebuilt for our office over there. And second, behind me, one of our club members is ferrying a 140 across to Martinsburg that was just sold over the weekend, and we're going to bring him back with us on the flight back. So it should be a good day of flying, about 120 miles or so over to Martinsburg, West Virginia, so come along.
Fairmont traffic, Cherokee 15152, taking runway 23. We'll be making a left crosswind departure eastbound, Fairmont traffic.
All right, mixture to go. You ready to go?
I'm set.
All right, I'm on the brakes. Go ahead and bring this in nice and easy. We'll check the do one more time and then we'll get out of here. Here comes the governor. Brakes don't hold at full power.
That's all right.
I feel good power-wise. You?
I'm set.
Engine's in the green. Lots of right rudder. Airspeed's alive. There's rotation. Accelerate to VX. And climb away.
Nice.
Engine's in the green. Use some electric pitch trim.
Yeah.
Fairmont traffic, Cherokee 15152, left crosswind off runway 23, Fairmont.
Yeah, so go ahead and make it tight.
Trying.
He doesn't get a yell.
Getting blown here.
We're 500 feet from his altitude and...
Got it. Man. Yeah.
That's probably his wake, actually.
Oh.
That was pretty much like right where he was.
All right. Let's go ahead and call Clarksburg. Lord.
If he says anything, tell him you have the traffic in sight. Cause
Okay, I will.
4777, roger. Verify uniform. Off comfortable.
Let's see, we're about
4777, contact tower 126.7.
2 miles east, Fairmont.
Clarksburg approach, Cherokee 15152, VFR request.
Yeah, Cherokee calling Clarksburg approach again.
Cherokee 15152 is a P28 Bravo slant golf. We're about 4 miles east of Fairmont Airport. We'd like a flight following to Martinsburg, 7,500.
Climb checklist. Flaps up.
Cherokee 152, squawk 7414.
7414, 152.
7414.
Yeah.
IB44, clear direct Morgantown, VOR.
Clear direct Morgantown, VOR, IB44.
A lot of airplane.
Makes it fun.
I'm watching, just making sure we're
Can you just climb it?
152 radar
full power.
5 miles east of Fairmont Airport. Show you climb to 4,600. Altimeter 3020.
20 and position altitude checks for 152.
All right. We're 94 indicated, 120 knots ground speed right now. So yeah, it's going to be nice. So we didn't even address the audience here. We've got 2,000 feet to our altitude, so we'll do that. Welcome back to the channel. Look who's back. Been a hot minute since we've seen Tyler with us.
Yeah.
But he's been busy like tail wheel cubbing the thing and like
Having kids.
having babies, like
Doing all the fun stuff.
yeah. So I asked him to come along today just because, you know, it's a new airplane for me still, and never hurts to have a little bit more time with an experienced pilot. Make sure everything's good. And also, I haven't seen him forever. So our plan is to go to Martinsburg here at 7,500 feet.
Radar contact, altimeter
We got about
3020,
1,500 feet to go. Once we get to our cruise altitude, we're going to set up our power. We're going to lean using the JPI 800 engine monitor.
If I want to have your...
Should be a pretty easy flight over to Martinsburg from there, and then we'll descend into Martinsburg. Could be an interesting landing there. The winds are, it's pretty crosswind at Martinsburg currently, so
maintain VFR at above 4,500.
that'll be good practice. We'll land there, have lunch, meet up with Dave Whitley, who's going to fly back with us, and yeah, that's kind of the plan for today.
Sounds like a good one. So now that you're getting some speed about you, once you see it sitting in where it normally settles in at, you can begin to pull it back.
All right, let me get stabilized here.
I like that it actually shows you that on this side, you have the manifold pressure.
So you can see it.
Yeah, it comes through every once in a while.
See if you see 20.4, and then it's nice and easy on the prop here. This is what I just yanked.
21.1 is what I see.
Okay, good. And then 2250 is what I'm going to do on the prop.
Okay.
And that's 65% power.
Perfect.
Let's go ahead and get on the tank we want to be on here now.
Okay.
So we've used 19.2. We need to remember that number for a minute. The fuel pump is still on, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. And I said I wanted to burn from the left tip.
Okay.
So 19.3, and I'm going to switch this and watch the fuel pressure. Then the detent.
Okay.
Fuel pressure still, hey! Go over that way. Fuel pressure still good. We'll watch it with the fuel pump off, just to make sure.
Yeah. You might see a little drop.
Still good. So 19.3, let's remember that. So what that means is, I had written down that we, let's see here, 13.6, 5.7.
Yeah.
So we used 5.7 gallons out of this tank, and we started this one at 19.3. So we need to, I only want to burn like 5 gallons out of this.
Okay. So we're going 24.3.
24.3, then we're going to switch to the right tip.
Traffic target over the airport at Cumberland. So
Yeah.
probably either on the ground or in the pattern.
Yeah, I think he's
What's
low.
the frequency up there?
They are 1228, just like Fairmont. I mean, I could cut the corner here. We don't have to fly directly over.
It's your choice, man.
Let's cut the corner. We'll just cut the corner and go
Works for
direct.
me.
So if I want to go direct Martinsburg, flight plan,
on the go.
do I push?
Yep, cursor. Grab the fat knob. So hit cursor.
Oh, I can hit it again here?
Yeah, so back like your back
I
button.
see.
And then hit direct.
Oh, direct, okay. Oh, I see. Get some information.
Yeah. So hit your cursor again. That's always the back button. Oh, hit done now. Sorry. Cursor one more time. Hit enter.
Okay.
Now,
big
fat knob,
and then
direct.
direct.
Hit it again.
Direct.
There you go.
Enter.
There you go.
Right to 113.
113. Gotta always remember to come up here and say, oh, this guy 113.
Let's look up, let's see if we can hear Martinsburg's weather.
Sure we can.
119, okay.
Be real friendly with him. There you go.
1 Celsius. Altimeter 3026. For marks. Density altitude 600. Martinsburg, Eastern West Virginia Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 1553 Zulu. Wind 180 at 11. Peak gusts 15. Visibility 10. Sky conditions clear. Temperature 17 Celsius. Dew point -0.1 Celsius. Altimeter 3026. Remarks. Density altitude 600.
Is there an airport right under us marked on your map? Like right off the right wing?
Nope.
There's a little strip right here. Really nice looking one too.
That's cool. All right, so let's start thinking about this. One more gallon to go. 180 at 11, gust 15, and their runway, unfortunately, is not that. 826.
Okay.
What did I say the winds were?
180.
The 26, I guess. It's going to be a pretty, we'll see what they're using, but I bet it's 26, and be a pretty good crosswind.
Yeah, and like you mentioned earlier, you can land with flaps 25, and I think that'll be sufficient. It's the longest state in the runway, so I mean, or
Yeah,
longest runway in the state.
8815.
Yeah.
We should be good, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, but will you take flight controls for just a moment? Your airplane.
I got it.
I'm going to text somebody.
Oh, man, that's touchy.
Oh, no.
What's up?
NORDO.
frequency 120.45.
He's NORDO.
120.45.
Where is he?
Where are you? Because we could probably tell them. Orbiting outside Delta.
Whiskey Tango, you're 18 miles from Jason. You cross
We will tell tower.
700 clear ballast, runway 32 Winchester.
We have information. See, this is where flights get busy all of a sudden. I didn't write down what information that was. Can you believe that?
Airport. Automated weather.
It's not. It's automated.
Minute weather.
Right.
152 VFR, send pilot discretion.
Could be a part descent, pilot's discretion 152.
Thank you. Yeah, we should look at that, shouldn't we? Yeah, we do need to start descending. All right, throttle is required, prop to 2400, airspeed is desired, and mixture slowly enriching. We won't need carb heat because even though it's the Piper-like combing thing, they just don't use it.
26, 22 heavy, or
So I'm going to pull the power back. I'm going to put the nose over and pull the power back to just like a couple hundred, or a couple inches. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's what I usually
Like
do.
2 inches maybe? Go
Yeah,
like
2 inches,
19.
and I try to hold myself to 1 inch per 1,000 feet.
Okay.
You'll notice on this,
Whiskey Tango, I think
there's a CLD.
Yeah, so you want a shock cool, so you want to stay under like 50 degrees per minute.
50 per minute, yeah. So that's what this is measuring.
Approach Cherokee 152 has Martinsburg in sight and the weather.
52, roger.
So he's circling outside the Delta.
Yep, so we'll be ready to tell them that.
Yeah.
We got to watch for him too.
Yeah, I know. See if he can give us like a position. I can take the controls again if you
Good
want.
flight controls.
I got them. I'll just keep us pointing toward the ground.
Can't find a phone number for tower.
He's trying to find it.
Yeah, is that not? That's their ASOS
Usually not
number.
published, but we can ask them. If you want to go ahead and cancel flight following, we can jump over to tower and talk to them. Just to, you know what I mean? Start working that out now because we're 10, 15 miles out. We'll be there in no time.
All right, so let me tell her that.
Yep, that's what I would do.
Approach Cherokee 152, we'd like to cancel flight following at this time.
Nine, Quebec, stand by.
Switch.
Switch, controller switch, yep.
You can go ahead and tell him we'll cancel and get up with our buddy here and see what we need to do to get him on the ground.
Okay.
Approach Cherokee 15152, like to cancel flight following.
15152, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR over to tower 152, thanks for the help.
You can have the airplane back if you want, and it's up to you.
You can fly for just a second.
All right.
Where are we? What's our position
We're
here?
13 miles to the west.
Okay.
Martinsburg Tower, Cherokee 15152, 13 west, descending out of 6,000, full stop.
Call Martinsburg Tower, second your call sign.
Or Cherokee 15152.
Cherokee 15152, Martinsburg Tower, runway 26. Are you better set up for left or right base? I'm not showing you on the radar.
So it will be better for a
Be
right.
better for a right base for 152.
You been enriching on the way down at all?
Yep.
152, enter a right base runway 26. Report 3 miles, wind 190 at 6, gust 14, altimeter 3026.
3026, one our right base and report 3 miles for 152. And also we have there's another pilot in a Cherokee who is NORDO circling outside the Delta. He just texted us. We're trying to get his exact position. He's trying to come into land as well.
Okay, I do see somebody approximately 8 miles north. I did hear someone keying up they were garbled, but I couldn't make anything out.
All right, 5 we're still trying to contact him.
Ask him his phone number.
Do you have a tower phone number we can text to him?
Okay, I got a phone number for you when you're ready.
Ready to copy.
304 6 4.
304 and we'll relay that on for 152. Thanks.
Okay.
So when I'm richening,
Yep.
I'll push it in a little bit, make sure I drop a bar or two.
Okay.
But then as you get downwind, he wants a right base.
Right base, so come over here. And pattern altitude is going to be 1600. So we got some, definitely have some altitude to lose. But he said he saw an airplane north.
152, that NORDO aircraft is going to follow you in, and then they're going to be cleared via the phone behind you.
All right, we'll keep an eye out for him for 152. Thanks.
That's your 6 o'clock, 3 miles.
152.
6 o'clock, 3 miles following us. Okay. Well, I don't know that it delivered. I don't know how he got the number.
Yeah, I don't
Maybe
either.
he can hear.
Oh, that's possible. All right, so I'm trying to get down still. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a little bit more power.
Yeah.
All right, let's. Can you pull out the checklist, please?
I sure can.
We do an approach checklist.
Approach checks. Altimeters.
That
Prop. I'm sorry, wrong checklist. Landing light.
landing lights on.
Fuel selector.
We need to turn the fuel pump on and get to a main tank.
Okay.
Let's do that, can we?
Yep, I can take care of that.
Okay, go to right main.
Go to right main.
Yep.
Right main in the D10. Fuel
Fuel
pressure.
pressure is good.
Approach. Load and activate if you want to do that.
Do not.
Visual approach. Arrival briefing. Doing a right base for
26. We're gonna have a pretty strong crosswind from the left.
Yeah. So you want to do a flaps 25 landing?
Flaps 25.
Perfect. Yeah, pack a little power, a little extra speed, make life easy. That completes the approach check.
Okay.
Before landing checklist, if you want to run in.
Yes, go ahead.
Fuel tank selector is on a right
It
main.
is.
And the D10 fuel pump is on. Mixture, you can start working it on into rich.
Go prop forward.
You can wait. I mean, I typically wait until I'm off the governor to shove my prop forward, but you can do that. That's up to you. I just feel like it's
I
harder
figure
on the
we
prop.
are off. I mean, aren't we?
No, if you were to push it up, it'll still.
Okay, it'll still kind of surge up.
You can do it, like just real slow. Guys like to get a little crazy with their governors.
I wonder if I should turn base here.
Yeah, you
we're
can go
pretty
ahead.
we're pretty high still, but let's go ahead.
Got plenty of room.
I need to be getting slowed down. I mean, that's going
Go
to
get
become
it.
very important here. I'm almost
All right,
idle.
You're good. If you push the prop forward, it'll slow you down too. The blades take bigger bites, thus making a bigger disc. Yeah, you can just work it right on up to full.
I'm enriching too as we go here.
Yeah, you can shove it full rich now that we're in the pattern. Yeah, now shove your prop all the way forward. I hear it decrease a little bit when you pull the power back. So now it can't go, it's at its
Let
maximum.
me tell him, let me report. We're about a 3 mile right base.
Yep.
And tower 152, 3 mile right base, runway 26.
November 152, runway 26, wind 160 at 10, gust 1 acre land.
Cleared land runway 26, 152.
All right, let's get slowed down here.
160 might put you slightly tailwind at this point. So you got the mixture full, the props full, seats and seat belts are erect and fastened.
They
on
are.
the right, the landing light is on. We received our landing
All right, we're a pattern
clearance.
altitude here.
Flaps, we'll get those.
But we got down in a hurry. I didn't have to descend nearly that fast.
No, we're good. Got all kinds of room.
All right, let me get a little more power in here and
Whatever you need.
maintain this altitude for a minute.
Approach speed should be
95 plus.
yeah, +5. You can do
We'll go
100.
100. I'm still losing altitude.
Yeah.
I don't really want to be yet.
The flap speed on this is
It's like 115 miles an hour. So we're I mean, we.
You want to run 100 knots on landing or 100 miles?
No, 100 miles an hour.
Okay, making sure. So you're in the arc almost, aren't you, for the flaps?
Yep. I'm just trying to keep this altitude from I got too low.
You're all right. Put it on. Show me what you got. Trim. Use that trim to work for you.
Yep. All right, so we want to be about 100. We're normally about 105, 110 out here.
Yeah, so keep trimming it.
I'm gonna go 25.
Yep. Eyes to the end of the runway once you get down there. Got a 2 light VASI on the left. Working on that, I see. Still a little high, so you can reduce a little more if you want. There they are. Little power to arrest that and hold it right there. Roll right into it, a little more. Now, a little power reduction. Looking good. Feels good to me. Well, maybe a little bit of power right there. Just a little. Trim it up. This looks like it's still wanting to. Thank you, sweetheart. So we got a nice crab, so just. There you go. What did I didn't need to do nothing. Just keep that in and get back over to the center.
152 left at Bravo, no delay, and contact ground 1 off 0.8.
Left to Bravo, no delay, and ground at 0.8 for 152.
Nice. Well done.
All right, we made it on the ground in Martinsburg. Pretty significant crosswind from the left. You saw we're here. We got the plane dropped off. Dave took the 140 over to the maintenance shop. We're going to grab a bite to eat here at the cafe and then head back on our flight back across to Fairmont. Tyler and Dave are here, and we're going to go grab some food, and then we'll be on our way again.